Ever wondered how AI masters complex tasks, like coding, math, or even navigating a maze? It's not just about getting it right once. Today, we're diving into Pass-a-K policy optimization, a groundbreaking method that lets AI learn from multiple attempts to solve problems that single tries could never crack. Let's start with the basics. Most AI systems, like language models or code generators, operate on a pass-at-one framework. That means they're trained to succeed on a single attempt. Imagine a student who only gets credit for one correct answer on a test, even if they had 5 tries that all worked together. Sounds unfair, right? That's the limitation of traditional AI. It prioritizes individual success, but misses the power of collective effort. Enter Pass-a-K. This Google DeepMind innovation flips the script. Instead of rewarding just one correct answer, it demands at least K correct solutions from multiple attempts. Think of it as grading a team project rather than a solo performance. If K is 3, the AI needs 3 solid solutions to succeed. This shift unlocks a new level of learning, because real-world problems often require iterative, collaborative thinking. But here's the challenge. How do you train an AI to optimize for groups of solutions, not just one? The researchers developed estimators, smart tools that measure how well a set of attempts performs. For simple tasks, they used a counting method. For complex ones, they sorted results and weighted the best outcomes. It's like grading a class. Instead of picking the top student, you consider the top 3 and adjust the curve. Here's where it gets even cooler. Their approach reduces variance, a fancy way of saying it stabilizes learning. Imagine tuning a radio, too much noise and you lose the signal. By focusing on sets of solutions, the AI avoids one-off successes and finds consistent, reliable strategies. This makes training more efficient and results more robust. They also introduced annealing K, a technique that gradually increases the target number of correct answers. Think of it like a training plan. The AI starts with a low K, e.g. 2, and ramps up to a higher K, like 8. This prevents early progress from being sacrificed for long-term goals. It's like learning to ride a bike. You start with training wheels, low K, then remove them as confidence grows. Testing this on coding and math problems, the team found that higher K values let AI tackle harder challenges. When paired with traditional reinforcement learning, results were staggering. For example, the open-source model Gemma showed dramatic improvements in complex problem-solving, proving that thinking in groups unlocks AI's full potential. So what's the takeaway? Pass-a-K isn't just a tweak, it's a paradigm shift. By valuing collective effort over individual luck, AI can solve problems once deemed impossible. Whether it's writing code, solving puzzles, or navigating the unknown, this research shows that sometimes the best solutions emerge from trying, failing, and trying again, together. Stay curious and keep exploring the frontier of AI.